Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can overlay videos in CapCut. So you can start by adding the main video into the main track in here and prepare the overlay that you want to add. So after that, just click on overlay and here click on this add overlay button and select the overlay video that you want to add. So let's say I want to add okay, what a second. Okay, I'm going to just use, for example, this overlay video. So click on the overlay video, click on add here. Don't forget to fit the size. Okay, so this is the overlay, for example, and how to make it blend with the main video. Go to splice or blend at the bottom, then select the mode that you want. So here I'm going to just use this lighten all filter. Okay, and adjust the intensity to your liking. Click on the check icon and there you go. So that's how you can overlay videos in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.